Today, we're going on an incredible journey, a visual exploration deep inside the womb, to witness the miracle of life as it unfolds. Using stunning, medically accurate visualizations, we'll see how the mother's organs shift and adapt, and how a tiny fetus grows, week by week. This isn't just biology. It's the story of connection, resilience, and the very beginning of us all. So let's dive in. The fetus's skeleton, which started as soft cartilage, begins to harden into bone. Their brain is developing intricate neural connections at an astonishing rate. They can hear sounds from the outside world, the mother's voice, the rhythm of her heartbeat, music. This is the beginning of their sensory experience, the first connections to the world they are about to enter. The fetus is now in the home stretch, preparing for life outside the womb. They will gain about half their birth weight during these final months. Their lungs are one of the last major organs to mature, producing a crucial substance called surfactant, which will help them breathe air after birth. We hope this journey inside has given you a deeper appreciation for the miracle of life and the incredible power of the human body. Thank you so much for joining us on this amazing exploration. If you found this journey as fascinating as we did, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more